Hi and welcome. My name is Tolan and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Me. In this video, we're going to look at how to display multiple worksheets within a single workbook, or rather within a single screen. So we'll discuss how to generate a new window of your existing workbook so that you could say look at the sales for 2012, 2013, 2014, and 2015 at one time. So if that's interesting to you, go ahead and join us in this video. All right, if you want to follow along, go ahead and open up exercise file 10.04. You can find a link to download this file in the description portion of this video. Okay, so in this example, we have sales for our imaginary company called Tech Company, and they have 2012 sales, 2013 sales, 2014 sales, and 2015 sales. And at least personally, I think it might be really interesting to look at these sales side by side. Now, one way to do that would be to create a new worksheet and to copy all of these sales and put them in kind of a single dashboard. But an alternative is to actually use a built-in function within Microsoft Excel. So the function we're going to use is here on the View tab. What we're going to do is go to the, I guess it's the Zoom group, or probably more the Windows group. So the View tab, the Windows group, and then go to New Window. I'm going to uncheck this so that you can see what happens. All right, so we're here and we want to go to View and then Windows, New Window. When we do that, it will automatically generate a new window. So I'm going to maximize this. Clearly this wasn't the most efficient way to do things, but I'm going to do that 2 more times because essentially we have 4 workbooks that we'd like to work with. So you'll notice that now, rather than being titled 10.04, it's 10.04:4. Here we have 10.04:3, and then here we have 10.04:2, and then we have another one. So then what you can end up doing is you can say arrange all. So again, first we generated 3 new workbooks, or new windows of this existing workbook. Then we go to arrange all. And I would generally stick with tiled, but you can do tiled or horizontal, vertical. We'll look at these 4 choices together. So tiled would look like this. It's going to be a bit messy for a second. But if we wanted to go to arrange all and then do horizontal, it would look like this. If we were to go to arrange all and then vertical, it would look like this. And then lastly, if we were to go in here and go to arrange all and then cascade, you can do that. So we currently on Microsoft Excel only have these 4 windows open, but say if we had a new worksheet, Control New, if we were to do this and then go to arrange all, you notice that when we have tiled, it will actually tile 5 worksheets, including that other worksheet. So what we're going to want to do is come in here, we'll maximize it so it's easier to see, and go to arrange all, and then include only windows of active workbooks. We'd hit OK, and that's going to tile these 4. And now what you can do is you can come up here to the icon where it says ribbon displays, or ribbon display options. This is to the left of these buttons here, and you would go to auto hide ribbon. That clearly didn't work actually. So we want to go show tabs and then view, arrange all, hit OK. So we'll actually just go here to show tabs. You'd have a little more space. You can also double click. That should show the tabs. And then here, double click on view. That should minimize it. Now this one is a bit off because of being zoomed out. So go back to view, go to range all, tiled, OK. And now we kind of have this, this view where we can look at all 3 of our worksheets, or all 4. So currently we have 2012 sales, and maybe this icon we'd look at 2013 sales. In this window we'd look at 2014 sales, and then here we'd move our way over to 2015 sales. So this is a kind of an interesting way to very quickly kind of create your own dashboard within this single screen, and you could look at the individual sales for 2012, 2013, 2014, and 2015 for a tech company. You could kind of see that in 2013 they grow their sales by 25,000. Here again, 25,000 by 25,000. Oh, it looks like there was a bit of a formula applied when creating this example, but at least in my mind, it's a really interesting way to be able to look at multiple parts of a spreadsheet. Now, if you were to say close one of these windows and then go to view, maybe we go to here, view, and then arrange all, tiled, you'll see that one worksheet kind of takes up half of your screen, and then the other two are split into quarters of your screen. If we were to say then close maybe 2014 sales, if we were to then go to view and arrange all, each would take up about half the screen. So that in a nutshell is the idea of viewing multiple windows within your single screen. So again, the way that we did that was twofold. First, we went into the view menu, and then we created new windows. We created actually 4 new windows. After creating those, 3 new windows. So after having a total of 4 windows, we went back to the view tab, said arrange all. We made sure that this icon here was checked. We went to tiled, hit OK, and then we decided to only view the tabs so that we had a little bit more space. There's actually a faster way to do this, but for that we would need keyboard shortcuts. And then we went and we chose individual tabs for these 4 pieces of sales data. You might have to zoom out so they're all the same size. Then when we didn't need them, we could just close those individual windows. And if we wanted to, we could go back to view, we could go to arrange all, and then it would kind of reset to the number of windows that we have open. Okay, so in the next video, we'll go ahead and we'll look at the idea of how to rename worksheets. So with that, we'll begin looking at how to manage worksheets within a workbook and start a whole new section. So join us for that. Join us for section 11 of this course, and we'll see you again soon. As always, thanks for watching. Cheers.